So we're now on the final hurdle, and all we're going to do is we're going to carefully start to cut out along the lines and edges as I'm demonstrating. Be careful not to cut into your cube, or when you come back round the other way, be careful not to cut into the lines. Just take your time as you have with everything else in this video. Make sure you've got a nice sharp pair of scissors. If you're not very good with the scissors yourself, then obviously ask somebody else to do it for you. Don't spend, all this time drawing and colouring in just to fall at the final hurdle. There you go, all nicely cut out. All you need to do now is position your camera or your camera phone roughly in the position that your perspective point was. Just move the camera around until you find your sweet spot, and it should look like this. And how cool is that? Your first floating checkerboard. Don't forget, when you post it on social media, maybe put a little toy car or rollerball past it. That will just wow your friends a little bit more. And when posting it on social media, don't forget to tag me or give me a mention. Thank you everyone for taking my class. I hope you all enjoyed it.